Everybody said go ECC memory, it'll be great. Yeah, it caused a no post. I decided to go ahead and upgrade the memory in my TrueNas Proxmox server for ECC memory. It's Samsung dies and literally caused a no post situation. Cleared the BIOS many times, verified I was clearing the BIOS. It would not post even with one stick of DDR4 ECC memory. So back to 16 gigabytes till I can get a matching kit in for what I currently have in there, which is Corsair memory. Note that ECC memory support requires both processor and chipset support. Does not support on an i3, what I have in my Proxmox server. Can't use it. So please stop telling people building servers to use ECC memory when they're using desktop processors. It doesn't support it. You go to Xeon, yes, they support ECC memory. Ryzen will kind of sort of support ECC memory, but the desktop Intel CPUs do not. So please stop telling people in comments to use ECC memory in desktop processors. They don't work. That's the thing, is it's not supported with Intel chipsets anymore. Server grade stuff is different. This is desktop. I proved that in this video that it does not post. I got the blinky lights of CPU DRAM lights in my motherboard. It does not support it. So please stop saying that in comments because it doesn't work. So I hope this video was helpful because I wanted to prove a point that ECC memory just isn't supported on desktop Intel. So as always, thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.